you struggling to get clients consistently? You might be making this one major mistake that's stopping your business from growing. But stick with me because I'll show you how to fix it real fast. Most service-based businesses struggle because they focus too much on the getting clients instead of nurturing them. They rely on cold outreach and random social media posts and hope for the best. But here's the problem. That approach is both exhausting and unpredictable. The real key to long-term success is a lead nurturing system. So instead of chasing clients, you attract them by 1. Content that educates. Your audience needs to trust you before they buy. So therefore, share valuable content instead of just promoting your services. Number 2, consistent follow-ups. 80% of sales happen after the 5th interaction. With that being said, I stay in top of mind with emails, retargeting, and social engagement. And number 3, a clear customer journey. Make it easy for potential clients to go from interested to ready to buy with a clear, structured offer. If you want a proven system for attracting high-quality leads without constantly chasing them, then drop a comment below or check out the link in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more marketing strategies.